Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to fix the problem when the service of Playstore stop. So this is a easy process to do, because the only thing you need to do is pick here in settings, and the first thing you need to know is Playstore is an application. That application is you can't delete that application. So the only thing you need to do is go here in settings, in the option of app management. This is an option a little bit different in others operative systems, but is the same option, app management or app settings, for example. And you need to pick here, and after that you need to search the application of Google Play Store. Here in Google Play Store you need to pick here in force stop. So you need to pick here. Force stop is a option when what disable the application for a few minutes. Is a reset of this application specifically, and after that the problem is fixed. So this is a process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.